You can learn AI for free this week only on DataCamp. February 17th to 23rd, completely free. There's over 50 courses across ChatGPT, Gen AI, OpenAI, and more. You can build practical skills and learn to help your career. No experience needed at all. Some of these skill tracks you could learn, for example, AI fundamentals, developing AI applications, AI business fundamentals, deep learning. So, no matter where you are in your learning journey, there is something here for you. And I religiously use DataCamp to upskill myself and have been doing for the past few months. It's always in the links in my description. So, yeah, highly recommend it. Now, I'm going to go into a complete overview here and show you, top to bottom, how to use DataCamp so that you can make the most out of it over the next few days. You have this Learn tab. So the tabs up the top, we have Learn, Certification, Sandbox, and Jobs. So if you live in the US, you can actually find jobs on DataCamp, which is pretty cool. I think UK and other places is coming soon. So under Learn, you have different tracks and then courses. So if I open all these up tabs on the top, you'll be able to have a look and see what actually is it. Because there's a bunch of things from real world projects to free certifications, which is cool. The first one we're going to have a quick look at is career tracks. Now, career tracks are to get you job ready from zero knowledge. And now there's a bunch here. As you can see, we have the filters for data analyst, data engineer, data scientist, machine learning scientist, ML engineer, AI engineer, developer, and statistician. So if you have a look here, you can see, for instance, say you want to do AI, right? So here we go, associate AI engineer for developers. If we click in here, and then you can see now, this is the track to become an AI engineer for developers. Course 1, working with OpenAI API. 2, prompt engineering. Then we have a project. Then a course for working with Hugging Face, LLM Ops, developing AI systems, blah, blah, blah. You see, it keeps going on until you're developing large language model applications with LangChain. So you'll be like a fully fledged AI engineer, ready to start, try to get a job. Additionally, we have skill tracks. So you have your career tracks, which is all the skills you need for a job. Now, skill tracks are individual skills. So, for example, here we can see Python, Power BI, Excel, AI, machine learning, Docker, Kubernetes, etc. So, an example here is if we click on artificial intelligence, so that's what we're interested in, all of these skills courses will be free right now, right? You can see there's even certifications for these ones here. But if we click on something like developing AI apps, we can see here that it has quite a lot of the bits from this AI engineer for developers because it's part of that career track. So you can see here, but if we back out and go into something different, so say AI leadership, very interesting. Again, it will be free. We can see track prerequisites, AI fundamentals, then how to monetize it, responsible, explainable, and security and risk management. So very interesting stuff there. Additionally, we have then courses. So we have the career layer, we have the skills layer, then the courses layer there, the individual courses which may make up a skill track. And again, loads of stuff here, introduction to Python, data science, ChatGPT, SQL, anything data and AI. So next up we have practice. Now practice here we reinforce what we learn. So say you went and done some Python, you can come back here and check out how do you actually get on with your knowledge. Now if you already think you know stuff, what you can do is you can do an assessment. So an assessment here we could do say Azure Fundamentals or Cloud Practitioner. It takes about 10 minutes and it will give you personalized learning recommendations based on that, which is cool. Additionally, we have tutorials, so if you want to find something out like how to set up and run DeepSeek R1 locally with Ollama. But yeah, so you can find all your tutorials in one place and they're all about data and AI instead of YouTube where it can be a bunch of random stuff, which is cool. So it's specific. Next up, we have real world projects. So you can do planning a trip to Paris, right? Analyzing crime, building RAG chatbots for technical documentation. A bunch of projects all in here, all kind of like certified by DataCamp as a solid project, as opposed to say YouTube where you're like, is it going to work? I don't know. They've removed the dislike button, so I can't even tell if it's a good project. I say that, but I make projects, but you know what I'm saying. It's all encapsulated here, which is cool. Then we have code alongs, which is more of like an interactive way of doing it, where you're solving real world problems with an instructor. You have competitions where you can win stuff and win money, which is pretty cool. And then finally, we have the certifications. portion here. Now, for certifications, we have various career certifications, so data analyst, data scientist, data engineer, and AI engineer for data scientists. We then have technology certifications where you can get like 50% off Microsoft Power BI, for example, Azure Fundamentals, and then Alteryx Designer Core certification is free, 70%, 75% off GitHub, a free one here as well, and a couple of other roadmaps essentially to your certification, which is cool. We then have theory certifications, so data literacy and AI fundamentals, which are stuff that you could get the certification, put it on your LinkedIn, put it on your resume. And then you can register as well for boot camps as well. So as you can see, loads of stuff. Oh, and also I suppose the sandbox as well, where you can do some business intelligence and cloud free because it just uses up credits, and every month you get credits. For example, as a premium member, you get 2,500 credits. If we go to home, it'll show me here. We get 2,500 credits a month, where one is 30. So 30 into that is what? 3 into 250? I don't know. An hour and a half, something like that. So quite a lot of credits for your learning as well. So anyway, head over to the link in the description, sign up. It's free for this week only, and then it will become paid if you're enjoying it. Obviously, buy it. I have it. So yeah, I recommend it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care.